Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello, everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get the Porsche 911 in Rocket League. This iconic vehicle has been available in a couple of ways, primarily through a past Rocket Pass and special item shop bundles. While some methods are no longer active, there are still opportunities to add this sleek car to your garage. We'll cover the different models, how they were acquired, and what you can do to get one yourself. Let's dive into the details of securing your very own Porsche 911. Previously, players could acquire the Porsche 911 Turbo by purchasing the Rocket Pass Premium, which typically costs 1,000 credits. This immediately granted access to the base model. For those who continue to play and level up, the more aggressive Porsche 911 Turbo R Rally, with its distinctive wide body, was unlocked at a higher tier. Both of these fantastic cars share the popular Dominus hitbox, but remember, this Rocket Pass has concluded, so this particular acquisition method is no longer an option. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS has been available through limited-time bundles in the in-game item shop. These premium bundles usually cost around 2,800 to 3,000 credits. When you purchase one of these bundles, you typically receive the Porsche 911 GT3 RS car body, along with several exclusive items like unique decals and special wheels to customize your ride. Like its turbo counterparts, the GT3 RS also uses the Dominus hitbox, ensuring a familiar and competitive feel on the field. If you're hoping to get your hands on a Porsche 911, your best bet is to regularly check the in-game item shop. These special bundles rotate, and popular items often make a return. Stay updated by following official game announcements for any news on returning premium cars or new collaborations. It's important to note that, unlike some other items, these specific Porsche car bodies cannot be traded with other players. So, keep an eye on the shop and good luck adding this legendary car to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.